Frustrated with the Atiumdva.dll DLL pop-up blocking AMD ATI? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before the technical guide for Atiumdva, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Atiumdva, the Radeon Video Acceleration Universal Driver. It provides unmanaged routines for hardware accelerated video decoding, UVD. It facilitates the orchestration of 4K and HDR video bitstream manifests on AMD graphics hardware. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. If Atiumdva.dll is preventing your software from launching, you likely need a graphics runtime refresh. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy DirectX files and perform a GPU driver update to resolve any issues with hardware-accelerated or compute-based components. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Atiumdva, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. To resolve deep-seated driver errors, you should perform a clean install by first wiping your system with Display Driver Uninstaller and then running the latest GPU setup. This process resets the communication between your hardware and the OS, while deploying a fresh copy of your DLL file to your local directory. Why are we doing this? Well, a basic driver reinstall rarely clears the persistent file conflicts that cause these errors, so a total wipe is necessary to re-establish system stability. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Installing an unverified version of Atiumdva.dll is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Atiumdva. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Atiumdva dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.